am not likely going to win any type of good housekeeper award, if there is such a thing, but I've really come a long way. Washing dishes used to make me cry, but I actually like washing dishes now. I like tidying and cleaning up. It's just difficult for me to maintain focus and then also work on all the other things I have to do in a day. I decided tonight to document using Dana K. White's 5-minute pickup technique, which is basically just setting a timer for 5 minutes and focusing during that 5 minutes on any given area. And it really helps me to stick to it, to stay focused, and to feel like I did something, even if I only worked for 5 minutes. So this was my first 5-minute job, which was basically just washing and drying dishes for 5 minutes. And if you could see, here's where I started and here's where I ended. And then I set the timer again and I did another round of a 5-minute washing and drying, putting away dishes. And then I turned around to look at the monstrosity that was my stove area. We had this really fun new dinner tonight, but it was kind of a mess. So I took 5 minutes to put things away. I washed everything I took off those counters and put it in the dish drain. And at the end of 5 minutes, I was just left with that one pan on the stove and then one in the sink that was just really hard to. It was just hard. So I left that soaking, and those were the dishes from the counter. And then I decided to try again, do another 5 minutes. And at least I got the stove initially wiped down and I worked on the pan some more. And then I needed to just leave them to soak because things were really stuck on. I took a break and I helped my daughter with something on the computer. I helped my son go to the bathroom. And then I went back at it with the timer. This is how I started in this area. At this point, I did have a younger child helping. Usually I have more help from the children, but tonight was just a little different due to various things. After 5 minutes, we got that area down to there. So it's getting better. I then took a break to say hello to my son. He's very cute. I'm trying to be more careful about not putting my children's images all over YouTube. So there you go, yellow face. We needed to work on this area next. My daughter and I took 5 minutes together to do this area. It was a mess of like dinner dishes and activities from the day. After 5 minutes, we got it a lot better and we left the kinetic sand for my son. And then I decided to go once more and really focus on this corner area while I had a child put away dishes. So I got that down in 5 minutes to looking better. I lit a scented candle in celebration, and then I knew I needed to work on my room. It was a mess. Things just got out of hand today, and I set a timer for 10 minutes. I wasn't even going to try to put away the clean laundry. I just wanted to get some of the random stuff taken care of. And after 10 minutes, things aren't pristine, but definitely better. And so I was happy. It's less gross than it was before. And then I needed to take another break and make an OfferUp ad for this leaf blower we're selling. Do you want to buy my leaf blower? I would totally sell it to you. $20. Next, I decided to do a 10-minute timer to see if I could get this laundry all put away. And I was able to because it was mainly towels and then just one load of clothes. And then I was done. I needed to work on bedtime things for my children, but it felt really good because I did feel like a lot was done, even though things weren't perfect in either my bedroom or the kitchen. Dana K. White's timer techniques are so helpful, and she has a whole process that really helps people. I don't know if I have ADD or whatever, like she says she does, but her advice has really resonated with me. She really focuses on just being happy, making things better in a limited amount of time, and not trying to chase perfection. Because I know for me at this stage, homemaking perfection isn't really possible, but I can definitely make things better. I would recommend checking out her books or her podcasts if you struggle too with housekeeping. But for now, that's going to be it for today. And God bless you. Have a great night.